So hello guys, welcome back to this another brand new video. So in this topic I will be teaching you how you can solve your problem in your aeroplane mode and flight mode, and this both are shams, but how you can solve these problems. Okay, so here we go. So at first you have to go in your uh, mobile. So here in you're in the mobile. So guys, um you have to reset your mobile once. Okay, if it is not working, then you have to reset your mobile once, and after resetting your mobiles you can your flight mode. Here you can see this, your flight mode will be totally connected. Okay, if it is giving problem, then so after doing this reset, okay guys, so and other, I don't have any options to say, so you just have to do this if you're, and it's all about your mobile, how suppose you have to do. Okay guys, so thanks for watching this video.